Hi students, good morning and welcome to your social studies class. Today we will continue geography chapter 3 water resources. Students, this chapter will not come in your term 1 exam or in term 2 exam. Only the map of this chapter will be coming in the board exam and your term 1 exam. But the theory part of this will be asked in your periodic test. The coming periodic test, the theory part will be asked. This chapter will be only for the theory part and map pointing of this chapter will be coming to your board exam. Okay? Right. So let us discuss as it is there for your periodic test. Let us read this chapter, water resources. Students, water is one of the most valuable resource or you can say mineral which we need in our day-to-day life. Without which we can say life is not possible. You may be seeing the scientists are doing research on various planets, on Moon, Mars, okay, to find the availability of water and all. Still the research is going on, okay, but the only planet Earth where we are living is possessing this quality, that is water, which is supporting our life. Friends, we have alternate for many things. See, if you don't eat chapati or rice and all, we can have another thing. We can have fruits, we can have salad, vegetables, so many things we can have. But do we have any alternate for water? How much liquid food we take? Juice, milk or anything, but we need to drink water. How many liquid foods, okay, which contains water, okay, we drink, but finally we need to drink water. So water is the most essential resource on this planet. Okay, now let us have some fact about water. You know students, 96.5% of the world's total water is in the form of saline, that is ocean and sea. This 95% water is there in ocean or sea. Only 2.5% of water is fresh water. Only 2.5% of the water is fresh water. Now, out of this 2.5% of water, fresh water, 70% is in the form of glaciers or you can say ice. Okay. Now, this 75% exists in Antarctica, Arctic region, or it may be Greenland and so many other mountains which are covered with ice and snow. Okay. Next, 30% of the fresh water is in the form of various other groundwater, like you can say lakes, rivers, underground water. Okay, they are in this 30%. Okay. Now, so this 70% of water we are not using on a large scale, only very few amount are not at all we are using. But this 30% water only we are depending for our daily needs. Not only for drinking or domestic use, even for industrial and agricultural use also. Okay, next. So this is the fact about water, 96.5% of ocean and sea water. 2.5% of there is fresh water. Out of 2.5 fresh water, 75% in the form of ice and snow, okay, are glaciers, and 30% that is groundwater in the form of rivers, lakes, ponds, underground water and all. Okay. So students, now let us see what is water scarcity and how to have proper water management. Water scarcity. Water scarcity. Now, what is water scarcity? Nothing but lack of availability of water as per the needed and required amount. Okay, if the water is not available, how much we need or require for our daily consumption, then we can feel there is a scarcity of water. Okay, now, but country like India, in our country, we see that whenever we hear the water scarcity word, what comes in our mind? We go to Rajasthan region, dry regions of Rajasthan, Jaisalmer or any other parts which is dry area. Okay, it is so that only in dry region or Rajasthan's desert region only we face water scarcity, we have water problem. No, not like that. We have in various parts of the country water scarcity. Okay, now students, we see that during the monsoon season, all the rivers, lakes, ponds, almost all the water resources, okay, they will be filled, reservoirs and all filled with the water, rivers will be over flooded, floods and all comes. But just after few months, okay, we see in our country we have southwest monsoon mid-June to mid-September, October. But from December, January month, we start seeing the water scarcity in our country. And by the time April, May comes, we can see complete water scarcity in various parts of our country. Why is this? Once we have a flood, another few months we have water scarcity, drought region. Why? This is because, students, we don't have proper water management in our country still. Now, because of this, what is happening? The waters which are overflooded in our rivers during the monsoon season are getting run or washed, drained into ocean and sea. Because our country is slightly tilted toward the east, except 3 to 4 rivers, almost all the rivers go and join in the Bay of Bengal, flow toward the eastward, except Narmada, Mahi, Tapi and Sabarmati. Okay, these 4 rivers remaining are Ganga, Krishna, Godavari, Tungabhadra, Mahanadi, okay, and their tributaries, almost all they go and drain in the Bay of Bengal. Only these 4 are going in the west direction and joining in the Arabian Sea. So what is happening? We are not having proper water management. This is the reason, one of the reasons that water is being run off. Another reason, misuse of water. See, have you heard about a country known as Israel? It has only 25 centimeters of annual rainfall. 25 centimeters of annual rainfall. India, 114 centimeters of annual rainfall. See the difference. They are just like less than 1/4. But Israel never faced any water shortage in this country throughout the year. But in our country, I told you, just after a few months of monsoon season, water scarcity starts arising in various parts of the country. Why? The reason is that first one, lack of proper water management. Second reason is that not utilizing the water in a proper way, misusing it. Okay, now how it is misused, how the water are misused, you know very well. Every one of us use water in our day-to-day life. Okay, so we come across various human activity around us every day, and we are seeing the misuse of water in various ways. Okay, now if we don't stop this misuse of water, if we don't reduce the water, as you can say, use of water, okay, or we don't start consuming and doing conservation for water in coming future, it is estimated, 2025, various parts of India will be facing severe water crisis. Now we are in 2021, 4 years only left of this estimation. Okay, So this was the introduction of this chapter. We'll continue tomorrow. For the time, take care. See you.